friends, welcome to Hooksy. Today we are making this beautiful viral rose bag. Let's get started. First we need yarn in one color, 3.5mm crochet hook, scissor, magnetic button handles. First make a magic ring, then make 12 double crochet in this magic ring. As shown in this video, our round 1 is complete. Now in round 2, make 2 DC in every stitch. In the first round we make 12 DC, in the second round we make 24 DC. Now our second round is complete. In the third round we make 36 DC, 1 DC and 2 DC in the next stitch. In the fourth round, make 2 DC and 1 increase. In the fifth round, 3 DC and 1 increase. In the sixth round, 5 DC and 1 increase. In the seventh round, 7 DC and 1 increase. If you like the tutorial, so please do like, share and subscribe to Hooksy. In the 8th round, make 1 DC in every stitch. In the 9th round, make 10 DC and 1 increase. This is our last round, as you can see. Now our 9th round is complete. Measure the length 9 inches enough for the medium size of bag. Now at this point we attach the thread and make petals. For petal, make 1 slip stitch here and make chain 2, then make 2 DC in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 3 DC. Now we have total 6 DC. Again chain 2, turn your work and make 12 DC in these 6 DCs. As you can see, skip 4 stitches and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. And make another petal with the same pattern. First make 3 DC in one stitch and then in the next stitch make again 3 DC and then increase the DCs. We have total 12 DC and make the back post slip stitches. As you can see in this video, and then again skip 4 stitches and make a slip stitch. That's it. Look at this. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end of this base, making petals First make 6 DC, then make 12 DC, and then make slip stitches and skip 4 stitch and make a slip stitch, and again start a new petal. Repeat this pattern until the end. As you can see in this clip, our 2 petals is complete. We follow this pattern to complete these petals. Here we go. 2 pieces according to this pattern. At this point we need bases, metal handles, strip, chain, magnetic button, and that's it. Our beautiful handmade crochet bag is ready, as you can see.